zoom out a little bit. Is it gonna let me? Yeah. So here we have our coordinate plane, and it tells us to follow the directions below. Graph a rectangle with vertices 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 3, and 5, 1. Then rotate it in 90-degree increments and until it's back to its original placement. So I'm only going to do point A. No, point B, because that'll be easier to kind of see. No, C. I'll do C. I'm indecisive. All right, so that is 5, 3. So you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 1, 2, 3. And there you go. So then I'm going to look back, 90-degree clockwise, flip my X and Y, negate my new X. So my X and Y now flip, so I don't have 5, 3, I have 3, negative 5. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Three, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to flip it. So I'm now negative 5, negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And now I'd have 3, or negative 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that should have been my original point. I should have done them in the other order. Anyway, so now I've taken my 1, moved it, moved it, moved it. So that is going to be, if this was some other thing than a point, if it was a rectangle, we would have the same rectangle, all of these different locations. So I'm going to do 5, 1 as well. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So you can kind of orient it a little bit. So now I have negate my new X. I negated my new Y originally. So it's negative Y, X. So it's negative 3, 1. Or negative 1, 5. So again, I'm going clockwise. Now I look at my 180, negate your X and Y. So it is just negative 5, negative 1, because I'm taking that one. Going negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. This is just a page for you guys to kind of build your own examples on, practice around with it to kind of see what all this looks like. And this last one is going to be negative 5, or negative, could be 1, negative 5 to go here. So I hope you're kind of seeing how that is taking shape. I have 1, 1, rotate that around. This one's kind of easy. I'm finishing it so it doesn't look like anything too bad. There we go. And our last one is at 1, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to flip it and go negative 3, 1. Flip it again, it'll go negative 1, negative 3. And then I will have 3, negative 1. So I am getting 4 different rectangles that are the same rectangle, but slightly different. You can kind of take this, you can add your own shapes. For some reason, that's not letting me, there we go. If I want to draw the shape on there, I can. There it is. I'm going to draw the same shape right here. Same shape right here. Same shape right here. So you're gonna get the same rectangle facing different directions. And then you can kind of note what you notice there in your own notebook, or you can print out this grid and use it in your own personal handwritten notebook, or you can do handwrite it however you want to keep your notes. Anyway, that is our lesson on rotations. I'm gonna go ahead, cut off recording, and then if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask, and then I will start on dilations in a minute if you guys are still wanting to listen.